Yung iba kasing tao, nakikilala ko pag na-promote, ayoko ng promotion kasi dagdag responsibilidad, okay na ako kung nasan ako. At least dito, hawak yung oras ko, kikita ako, ganun. Same lang naman, konti lang naman yung dagdag. Dami ko nakilalang ganun. Ganun yung dahilan nila. That's what, anong tawag doon? Cognitive dissonance yun. So, you're trying to reject something in parang yung reality, ina-ignore mo. Pero yung reality na yun, na parang ayaw mo ng extra work, pero hindi siya mag-a-affect man ngayon, mag-a-affect siya long term. Parang ganun yun Kuwari, ayoko na daily responsibility. Oo, ngayon, for now. Pero in the long run, hindi mo naisip na kung tinanggap ko yun, baka tapos na miss out mo yung mga opportunities ngayon na sana TL ka na, sana ano ka na, may nakita kang another job na ito yung required, ito yung kailangan na skills, tapos ang laki ng sahod, hindi mo nakuha. So it doesn't matter. Yung pera, don't always chase the money. Chase the skills, chase the knowledge, and chase the experience. Ako, I always tell myself, it's better to fail than trying nothing at all. Ang dami kong investments, ang dami kong businesses, ang dami kong pinasok, nag-fail. And it's okay. It doesn't matter. Yung iba kasing tao,